Okay, this video has been set up to show you how to save your work once you've completed an assignment using Illustrator. It's a little bit different than Photoshop. When you go to the top of the page, you're going to go to File and go to Export. Export it as a PNG file. This is how I'd like you to submit your final project. So you go ahead and click on PNG. Make sure that you give it a good name, and it should start with your name. Then you can underscore and then have the title of the project that it's going to go into. Now your computer is going to default to the downloads folder. We don't want to put it there. You're going to want to go to your desktop, find the data part folder. In here, if you have not done this yet, you need to create a DA10 folder with your name on it. And this is where you're going to be storing all of your information for the entire course. So I'll go ahead, go into that folder, and I'm going to get even a little bit more organized here. Since this is an Illustrator file, I'm going to store all my Illustrator files in the same folder. Later on, you'll be making projects with Photoshop and Premiere. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. Go ahead and click OK. Now that I've done that, you're going to see that I can close. I'm just going to minimize this window. If we look into Data Part, you're going to see your folder, and inside your folder, we're going to see your PNG file. Okay, that's awesome. That's great. Now you're going to take this and we're going to put it into your ePortfolio. So here's a sample ePortfolio page. I'm going to go to the bottom of the Illustrator section. So you can see over here I'm on the Illustrator page. Once I get to the page, I want to insert an image. So I'm going to go to Insert, click on Image, and I want to upload this off of my computer. So I'm going to go in and find the desktop, go to Data Part, and find my project in the Illustrator folder. There it is. It's a PNG file. I'm going to open it, and now I have it. Once you have it in your portfolio, you can resize it and set it up the way you'd like. And beside it, remember, I always want a 3-sentence reflection based on that assignment. So you might talk about what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, how you'd change it, how would you make it different. Maybe it's an interpretation and you're going to explain to us what you did in your assignment. So you just click on the text tool, and in here you can write your text. Okay, once you've done that, then you can go ahead, go up to Publish, and you have now completed that assignment. You've submitted, or you've sent it into your portfolio. You're almost there. You have one more step. The final step that I'd like you to do, once you have updated your portfolio, now it is time to submit your project as a quest-based learning project. So you're going to go back to Resli. So we're on the Resli tab. Here's the project that I was working on, Badge for a Badge. I can go down to the bottom, click on Complete. Here will be an explanation of how you need to submit an assignment. So for this assignment, we are going to upload the PNG file. So I'm going to go to that file, click on it, click Open, Upload and Insert. So that has now been inserted. You've done everything you need to do for this assignment. Go ahead and click Submit. That has now been sent to me to approve or to give feedback on. I'd really like you to do this at the end. Put in your estimated completion time for that assignment and give it a rating. So go ahead and give it a rating. Tell me what you thought. I love this project, so I'm going to give it a 5-star. Then here, if you want to give any feedback, this is great, because if you had any frustrations or if any sections of it were confusing or if there was stuff that you liked, this is where I'd love to hear about it. All right, you guys are set. There is your submission details. That gets your project saved as the correct format, puts it onto your electronic portfolio, and it submits it for approval. All right, thanks for watching. And you guys have an awesome day. I'm really looking forward to seeing your projects.